Hello friends, welcome to the Pujashree classes UGC NET Paper First Teaching and Research Aptitude. Here we are discussing about 20 questions from People Development and Environment. Please watching. Thank you. Now we start with questions. Question number first. Who first defined ecology in 1866? Option A. H. Reiter. Option B. Haeckel. Option C. Charles Elton. Option D. Odum. Answer is option B. Haeckel. Question number 2. In the study of man-environment interaction, the statement of Miss Sample that the humans are slowly the product of their environments is option A. An opinion. Option B. A prejudice. Option C. A fact. Option D. A widely expected phenomenon. Answer is option C. A fact. Question number 3. If we combine all the ecosystems present on Earth, then it is called option A. Biome. Option B. Habitat. Option C. Biosphere. Option D. Ecology. Answer is option C. Biosphere. Question number 4. How to originate all the energy in a food chain? Option A. Plants. Option B. Sun. Option C. Sea. Option D. All of these. Answer is option B. Sun. Question number 5. What is a habitat? Option A. A small part of ecosystem. Option B. A particular area inhabited by plants and animals. Option C. An area inhabited by a community. Option D. The number of different organisms living in a specific area. Answer is option B. A particular area inhabited by plants and animals. Question number 6. In the analysis of man-environment relationship, pragmatic possibilism implies that option A. There is no limit for man to exploit the resources of Earth. Option B. There are limited possibilities to explore the Earth's resources. Option C. The man has to watch and assess the situation and then go ahead with resource utilization. Option D. The man has to keep in mind only his basic needs while planning to harness the potential of resourceful Earth. Answer is option C. The man has to watch and assess the situation and then go ahead with resource utilization. Question number 7. Which of the following are considered as producers in a food chain? Option A. Herbivorous. Option C. Carnivorous. Option C. Autotrophic plants. Option D. Decomposer. Answer is option C. Autotrophic plants. Question number 8. Which of the following are directly dependent on producers for living? And option A. Herbivorous. Option B. Carnivorous. Option C. Decomposers. Option D. Omnivorous. Answer is option A. Herbivorous. Question number 9. The various levels through which energy passes into an ecosystem are called option A. Consumers. Option B. Trophic levels. Option C. Autotrophs. Option D. None of the above. Answer is option B. Trophic levels. Question number 10. Which of the following are included in the biosphere? Option A. Hydrosphere. Option B. Lithosphere. Option C. Atmosphere. Option D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 11. What is consist of population? Option A. Organisms in a species that are capable of reproducing among themselves. Option B. Different species that can interbreed. Option C. Collective member of a species living and interacting across the biosphere. Option D, some organisms that may not belong to any species. Answer is option C, collective members of a species living and interacting across the biosphere. Question number 12. Cloudy nights are warmer compared to clear nights, means without clouds, during winters. This is because option A, clouds radiate heat toward the earth. Option B, cloud prevent cold waves from the sky descending on the earth. Option C, clouds prevent escaping of heat radiation from the earth. Option D, cloud being at great height from earth absorb heat from the sun and send them toward the earth. Answer is option C, cloud prevent escaping of heat radiation from the earth. Question number 13. The urbanization process accounts for the wind in the urban centers during nights to remain. Option A, faster than that in rural areas. Option B, slower than that in rural areas. Option C, the same as that in the rural areas. Option D, cooler than that in rural areas. And answer is option B, slower than that in rural areas. Question number 14. Which of the following is not an abiotic condition? Option A, soil. Option B, temperature. Option C, bacteria. Option D, water. Answer is option C, bacteria. Question number 15. Which of the following is the basic for all food chains? Option A, consumers. Option B, decomposers. Option C, producers. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, producers. Question number 16. If population growth follows a logistic curve, then the maximum sustainable yield. Option A is equal to half the carrying capacity. Option B is equal to the carrying capacity. Option C depends on growth rates. Option D depends on the initial population. Answer is option A is equal to half the carrying capacity. Question number 17. The structure of Earth system consists of the following match. Atmosphere. Here we are matching the zone and chemical characters. एटमॉस्फेयर का केमिकल कैरेक्टर है इनर्ट गैसेस. बायोस्फीयर केमिकल कैरेक्टर ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस. हाइड्रोस्फीयर के केमिकल कैरेक्टर्स हैं साल्ट, फ्रेश वाटर, स्नो एंड आइस. लिथोस्फीयर के हैं लाइट्स, सिलिकेट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. What are the two main components of an ecosystem? Option A, earth and its surroundings. Option B, plants and animals. Option C, biotic and abiotic. Option D, macro and microorganisms. Answer is option C, biotic and abiotic. Question number 19. Beginning from the surface of earth, what is the sequence of different layer of atmosphere? Option A, stratosphere, troposphere, ionosphere, exosphere. Option B, troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. Option C, troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. Question number 20. In which of the following layer of the atmosphere ozone gas is present? Option A, troposphere. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, mesosphere. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, stratosphere. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my all videos and please watch my all videos. Thank you.